edit and loop it. Studios live at the podcast vibe. From weddings to worship, we keep dreams alive. Honesty Media, we bring it to life with the sharp.
Hello, you are welcome to Honesty Media. Now into this video, I'm going to teach you how to do this kind of setup, and it's a question that came out from YouTube and it's heard how to, this is the question on the screen, okay? So how to project the main screen to your church screen. So this is my church screen, and also how to do a multi-view at the same time with one PC, one OBS, okay? So this how you can do it. Now, first thing you have to know is about output on your system. I have two outputs on my system, okay? So this is the output. I have the USB-C port and also HDMI out. Normally you all know HDMI out, but try to get USB-C port on your system. If you have that, you can do this kind of setup, okay? So this is OBS. You can also do that on vMix. It's very simple. Now, checking out all this on your system, go ahead and buy a USB hub. So I have this USB hub here. You see, this is the box. I'm going to remove it and show you or give out a setup about it, okay? So my monitor, this monitor is using VGA port, so I'm using VGA side, okay? So that's it. You can also go ahead and buy the big ones for multiple USB in and everything, okay? So this is my simple setup for those on budget, okay? So after that, let's go ahead and do the next thing.
That's right.
Okay, so let's go ahead and remove it from the box, okay? So this is how it look like if you have the same thing, or if you get the same thing. This is what you're gonna see. It's very simple, nothing to power it, okay? So remove it. It's very simple now. That's it. It's very simple. HDMI, VGA. My monitor is going to use VGA, so I will use this. If you have your TV screen to connect, you can also use this, okay? And we have USB-C for charging, and this one for pen drive and the rest, okay? You can also plug in here sound card or whatever. So that's it. This is my USB-C, okay? So you can see, yeah, this is a USB-C. This is the HDMI going to my splitter, okay? That's my splitter and to the mega screen, okay? And this is my USB. So this one I'm going to put in the USB hub, okay? That's it. So USB hub into this, and this one coming from my monitor, okay? So just plug in at the back of your monitor and you're good to go, okay? It's a VGA, okay? That's it. It's very simple. Now that's it. First, let me plug in my you can see it will turn on, yeah, so it will turn on blue, okay? So turn on blue here. That's it. So that's it. And let's connect this. It's very simple. Let's try to follow. It's very simple, okay?
Where every frame speaks truth, creativity.
You can see it's on the screen. So let me show you. You can see, yeah, as you can see, yeah, it's there. Very simple. So that's how you can connect this. Okay, so after that, this is what you're gonna do. Now let me just close my my multi-view here, okay? Close my multi-view, and that's it. So okay, so I already have my program out on my chest screen, okay? So this is the chest screen, you can see. So I have the program out here, okay? So that's it. Now let's go ahead and show up the multi-view on our second system, okay? So the second monitor, okay? So go to the tools on OBS. It's very simple. So we're not going to waste time. Go to view on the OBS tools, go to open multi-view, then choose this one. So the LG TV is my splitter connecting the two TV screen on my church service, okay? So the middle one is this one. The middle one here is this one, okay? So let me click on the middle one and the multi-view will show up here. Very simple. If you choose the first one, it's going to show up on your PC screen, okay? If you don't have monitor. So that's it. So click on the middle one, boom, it's here. It's very simple, okay? Now I don't have anything to teach again about it. That's very simple. You have to get your USB-C port or USB hub, yeah, you are good to go, okay? So that's it. Now thank you for watching this video. Shout out to you who asked the question on YouTube, okay? Now interact more on YouTube so that we get more videos. Thank you for watching this video.
That's right.